There's Everest. Oh, they weren't real loggers. It's the logging trucks. They're stuck.
Oh no. That's not gonna work.
Well, here we go.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Oh shite. Oh duty. Duty. Duty.
Oh, my shoes!
Are your shoes waterproof?
No, not these ones.
I know.
Woohoo!
Why isn't this in a water park? I can rock, man.
Oh, that's cold.
Anybody get you in the back?
I'm stuck.
Oh no!
Right in your face.
You having fun yet?
I peed my pants.
You peed the whole boat.
The whole boat. See what happens, ladies and gentlemen, when you drink too much water. I have sunscreen in my eyes. Oh, effluent.
I'll remember you.